Did you know that the colors around you can directly affect your mood, energy levels, and even how productive you are? Color psychology shows us how different shades influence our emotions and behavior. Whether you're painting a room, choosing furniture, or adding small objects, the colors you pick can make a huge difference. In this video, we're going to dive into some key colors and explore how you can use them to create the perfect environment for any space, whether you want more energy, peace, or focus. Red. Red is a powerful, energizing color that grabs attention. It's often associated with passion, excitement, and even increased physical energy. This is best for spaces where you want to boost energy or create a lively atmosphere, like a home gym, a dining room, or social spaces where you entertain guests. It encourages conversation and action, which is why it is often used in dining rooms to make meals feel more vibrant and exciting. However, too much red can feel overwhelming and cause stress and anxiety, so consider using it in smaller doses, like one feature wall or in accessories. Orange. Orange is warm and cheerful, often linked to communication, creativity, and enthusiasm. It stimulates mental activity and can make people feel energized and uplifted. This is best for creative spaces or workout areas where you need a boost in motivation. It's also great for kitchens, where its energetic vibe can help start the day on a positive note. Orange adds a sense of warmth and friendliness to a room, making it more inviting. However, too much orange can be overstimulating and make the space feel chaotic, so balance it with calmer elements in the room. Yellow. Yellow is the color of happiness and optimism. It can brighten up a room and even make you feel more alert and focused. It's also known to stimulate mental activity and boost memory. This is best for kitchens, bathrooms, or workspaces where you want to feel energized or uplifted. Yellow works well in smaller spaces or areas that need a bit of brightness, like dark hallways. It's perfect for places where you want to add light and positivity. However, too much yellow can cause feelings of frustration or stress, especially in bright shades. So be mindful how much you use it in high traffic areas. Green. Green is deeply connected to nature and is known for its calming and balancing effects. It brings a sense of peace, making it ideal for creating a relaxing environment. It is best for bedrooms, living rooms, or study spaces where you want to unwind or focus. Green is a great choice for places where you want to spend time relaxing, like a reading corner or a cozy spot in your living room. It promotes a calm atmosphere that reduces stress after a busy day. Green has been shown to improve reading abilities and focus. Too much green, however, can make a space feel boring, so add some colors to keep the room lively. What is your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. And if you like the video so far, consider liking and subscribing. It would greatly support the channel. Thanks. Blue. Blue is one of the most calming and peaceful colors. It's known for reducing stress and promoting relaxation, which makes it perfect for spaces where you want to wind down. It can also help improve concentration and productivity. This is best for bedrooms, offices, and bathrooms, where you want to create a peaceful, quiet environment. Blue is great for rooms where you need to focus, like a home office, as it helps reduce distractions and promote clear thinking. In bedrooms, it can help lower your heart rate, making it easier to relax and sleep. Too much blue, however, can make a space feel cold and distant, so it's best to balance it with warmer tones. Pink. Pink is often associated with love, compassion, and warmth. It has a calming effect and is known to reduce feelings of anger or aggression, making it a great choice for spaces meant for relaxation. This is best for bedrooms, nurseries, or quiet areas where a gentle, calming vibe is needed. Pink is often used in children's rooms, but it also works well in adult bedrooms for creating a soft, comforting atmosphere. It's a great choice if you want to foster a sense of peace and relaxation. Too much pink, however, can feel overwhelming and overly sweet, so it's best used in moderation to maintain a balanced, peaceful environment. Black. Black is bold. elegant and associated with sophistication and power. It can make a room feel more dramatic and refined. This is best for offices, living rooms, or modern spaces, where you want to create a sense of luxury or drama. Black works well in minimalistic designs, where you can create contrast and make other colors stand out. It adds a sense of depth and can make a space feel structured. Too much black, however, can make a room feel dark or confined. So be sure to balance it with lighter colors to keep the space from feeling too heavy. White. White is clean, simple, and creates an open, spacious feel. It's great for making spaces look larger, and it reflects light well, making rooms feel brighter. This is best for bathrooms, kitchens, or small spaces where you want to maximize light and openness. White is perfect for creating a fresh and simple look, making it easy to add other colors in smaller details. It's ideal for spaces that need a boosting light or that have a minimalistic design. Too much white, however, can make a room feel empty or plain, so it's important to bring pops of color to add personality. Purple. Purple is often linked to luxury, creativity, and imagination. It combines the calm of blue with the energy of red, creating a balanced yet stimulating effect. This is best for bedrooms, creative spaces, or meditation areas where you want to encourage imagination and relaxation. Purple can add a touch of elegance and mystery to any space, making it great for areas where you want to inspire creativity or contemplation. Darker shades, however, can feel too intense or moody if overused, so stick to lighter tones or use it in specific areas to create balance. Color has a powerful impact on how we feel and function in different spaces. By understanding color psychology, you can transform any room to suit your needs, whether it's boost energy, calm your mind, or improve focus. Remember, colors aren't just for walls. You can use them for furniture, art, or even small objects to create the perfect environment.